Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this soft glam makeup look that you can wear for any occasion you want to wear it for. Now the first thing you want to do is prime the eyelids, get rid of all the redness and start with like a nice clean canvas for your eyeshadow. Then I use some brow gel and I will be playing with a new palette today which I created in the mail, and I think it's one of the most beautiful palettes I've ever seen. The detail is like insane. Like, my niece is really into makeup and she told me this actually went viral on the internet. I haven't never seen it before, but apparently it's a really popular palette. I had no idea. But yeah, I wanted to do it, use it for today's eye look. It has really soft colors, so I wanted to do like a soft kind of glam look, which I think is suitable for everyone and you can wear it for any occasion. It's not too extreme, but it's just really like soft and nice. Also, I want to say thank you for all the love on my previous video, and I did posted a little story on my YouTube community page saying kind of like that I'm sorry that I haven't posted a lot lately. Well, actually the last year since becoming a mom, and the response was really sweet, so I just wanted to say thank you for that. In my mind, I wanted to do so much more content. I wanted to do mommy content, but it is crazy. I feel like my son is really like the type of child that really is clingy. I don't know how you say that in English, but he always wants to be with me. So it makes it especially really hard to have time for myself. And I know I should enjoy it as much as I can, and I'm really trying to. But also, of course, I have built my channel for years and years, and I don't want to like let it go to waste because I really appreciate the community that I have right here, and yeah, I still want to like put effort into my channel, but like I said, I will try to post more often. So I just wanted to say that. So I used a few shades on the eyelid, going from light to dark to kind of like create an ombre effect, and the colors are all very soft, and especially the matte shades are kind of like, it's almost like a creamy powder. It's really beautiful and easy to blend out. I was like really pleasantly surprised with how beautiful it blended out. The lighter colors, they're really light, so I felt like the color payoff was not like too extreme, but I do have a feeling that it's actually not supposed to be like very intense. I feel like this is a really like light, soft, subtle eyeshadow palette. So I used an even darker shade at the outer portion of the eyelid to make it even more darker, to create some nice shadowy effect in this area. And this is also the last eyeshadow that I will use in this area. Then for my waterline, I used the highbrow pencil from Benefit. This one is actually meant for underneath the brow, but I use it for in the waterline. It's a really beautiful soft pinky color. And then I used the darkest brown color again, and now I used it for underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush. I do have a special discount code for Sigma Beauty, which I have linked down in the description bar. Then I went in with that first color, which I used all the way at the beginning, and used a little bit more of that for in the inner corner of the eye. It just gives it that really beautiful bright effect, which I love. Then I curled my lashes, and it's already time for mascara. I felt like this eye look was super easy and quick to do, but it's so nice. You can wear it with any outfit. It's beautiful if you have like greenish eyes. It will really, like, the warm colors will pop your eye color, but I think it will actually suit with any eye color. Of course, if you have darker skin, maybe the eyeshadows are really gonna turn out a lot lighter, but my advice would be to go in with a eyeshadow primer which is a lot lighter than your skin, so the eyeshadows will pop more. So then I popped on some falsies, and you don't have to do this, but I do feel like it really makes the whole eye look complete. But it's totally up to you if you recreate this makeup look. And yeah, that's also the last step. I really hope you all enjoy how this turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you.